Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's January 16th, 2020. Watching one of these cockroaches going into this fake dark cloud here. It'll come out the other side here. We'll watch it race through this. It's so weird how they sneak around. I think nobody's noticing, but I'm noticing big time. Let's see where this little pecker bite is. He's in there somewhere. He's gonna come sneaking out somewhere. Where is he? Playing hide and seek in there, douchehead. There he is. As soon as I get past the wire here, I'm going to zoom in. Look how fast he's going. Creepy crawlers. I think he's being sneaky, hiding up in all this filth. Come on, stay with him. Whoa. There we go. Look at all the orange it's going through too, the orange color. If you can see that. That's not from the sun. I just want to get in closer on him. Oh boy, he's really lost in a fog there for a second. Whoa, 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 whoa. Back up. You'd think I'd be good at this by now. Look at this guy. See, the speed is what gives it away to me. Because this thing's pretty high altitude, it looks like. And if this was a real passenger plane, it would look like it's going really slow at this altitude. But it looks like it's a rocket. I've seen a lot of these real dark looking vehicles lately. Thank you, mainstream news, for doing such a bang-up job of helping us out. Saying nothing. Doing all the distractions. Trump this, Trump that. You know, Iran wars. All this stuff is intentionally so you and a lot of other people will just sit there and talk about it. Not you awake ones. You kind of know what they're doing. Thank you guys for all your comments on my videos too. I appreciate that. Oh, we're going into a real dark out here. Whoa. Oh, I guess I lost him. I think. Let me see. Did I lose him? Wait. No, I'll just follow the trail. Wait, where'd he go? Where'd that rat scum go? There he is. And a lot of people, even people that know about the chemtrails and all that stuff, think that these, because they're short, are not chemtrails at all. They think they're contrails because they're short. That's wrong. Very wrong. Every time they pass, they leave a big film behind them. And it's just another one of their deceptions, you know, to make people think that's normal. Oh, it's short, so that means it's a contrail. Wrong. All right, take care, guys. I'm done with this guy. Sorry, that wasn't too exciting, but I'm sure. Oh, there's another one coming. Great. One after another. Oh, there he is. Here we go again. That one doesn't look as dark as the other vehicle. See what happens here. He's going to go into that fake cloud mass in a second too. One after another, guys, and they're not following any flight patterns and all that. They're just doing it. Get your cameras out there and try this, guys. It's fun. Sort of. Need all the evidence we can get. How creepy that looks. Sneaking around in the fake ass masses they've left already. God, this is hard. Woo! Mike Decker, where are you? I need you to operate my camera. If you guys haven't looked at Mike Decker's YouTube page, go to it. This guy knows how to capture these things. Look at this. I'm seeing some orange and white coming out of that thing. You see it? Man, oh man. Just gonna back up a little bit here. Where'd he go? Just follow the trail, I guess. I guess I'm done with this guy. Just have to show you guys this over and over again because there's people that still think these are contrails, but I am running into more and more people going, that's a little strange, because I tell people, you know, when I'm filming this crap, to just watch what they do. You know, watch what they're doing up there. And once they grasp that, then they get suspicious and then they start watching. All right, that's enough of this. I'll talk to you guys soon.